good morning. And for the first question is, do you think 3D printing in dentistry is worth it and why? So, first of all, yes, 3D printing in dentistry is worth it because it helps create highly customized, accurate, and fast dental treatments. It saves time and money for dental offices, allows for better fitting crowns, dentures, and braces, and makes procedures quicker and less invasive for patients. Although the upfront cost is high, the long-term benefits of faster production, better patient outcomes, and reduced labor costs make it a valuable tool for modern dental practices. To make 3D printing in dentistry more feasible, lowering the initial investment cost, improving the material used, speeding up print times, and making integration with existing dental workflows smoother and key factors. Additionally, offering better training, clearer regulation, increasing patient demand will also contribute to broader adoption as the technology continues to evolve. The feasibility of 3D printing in dentistry is making it an essential tool in dental practices worldwide. Thank you.